Unless there's any additional comments.
May I ask that we separate the streetcar project from the rest of the list?
Are you asking that as a motion?
I move, yes, sir. I move that we separate the streetcar project consideration from the rest of the list and go forward with the rest of the list first and then come back.
Is there a second?
I will second that.
The motion is to separate out the Cincinnati Streetcar from the current list and have a separate vote. Is that correct?
Yes.
Ms. Maddox?
Yes.
Thank you. We will now call the roll. Director Ray?
Oh,
No.
wait a minute.
You might want to indicate what a yes vote and a no vote means.
A yes vote, I apologize, a yes vote will indicate of removing the Cincinnati Streetcar from the current draft list. A no vote will indicate keeping it on the current list as it stands right now.
Okay, a yes vote will indicate that you want to vote separately on the Cincinnati Streetcar and the final remainder of the list. A no vote would mean that there is no separate vote. It's one vote on the final list. Is that clear?
We will now call the roll. Director Ray?
No.
Mr. Dingus?
Yes.
Mr. DeRossi?
No.
Ms. Selby Maddox?
Yes.
Mr. Ongaro?
No.
Mr. Marchbanks?
No.
Mr. Brennan?
Yes.
Mr. Brown? Mr. Darrow? We have 4 noes and 3 yeses.
If there's no further discussion on the 2011-2015 major new project program list, we will now begin the vote on that list. Please call the roll.
Director Ray?
Let's clarify what we're voting for.
You are now voting for approval of the 2011 through 2015 list, major new track list that you have in front of you. A yes vote means that you're approving the list as drafted in front of you. A no vote would mean you are not approving that list as drafted in front of you.
No, we don't need a motion to do that.
No.
We will now call the roll. Director Ray?
Yes.
Mr. Dingus?
Yes.
Mr. DeRossi?
Yes.
Ms. Selby Maddox?
No.
Mr. Ongaro?
Yes.
Mr. Marchbanks?
Yes.
Mr. Brennan?
Yes.
Mr. Brown? Mr. Darrow? We have 6 yes, 1 no.
So the list will be finalized as of today. It will be out on our website this afternoon with signatures, and the finalized list will be available for all of the public and all of the media as well this afternoon.
With that, we have a track discussion on the draft policy and procedure revision.
We just wanted to give you a